Branded Surveys is one of the world's leading market research communities that allows you to earn cash by sharing your thoughts in online surveys. To gain access to Branded Surveys community, you can either create a profile or sign up through Facebook. The more details you provide, the more surveys you'll be eligible for. Upon submission of your survey, your answers are sent directly to their market research clients. The client reviews your input, and points are posted as approved. Once you earn 1,000 points, equivalent to $10, choose how you want to cash out and collect your earnings. You can redeem your points in the form of gifts cards, cash via PayPal, Visa card and others. Branded Surveys is only available in United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. Branded Surveys features a special program called as the Elite Program, where participants get awards for consistent participation on the platform. There are 3 main types of badges you can get on Branded Surveys. These are Gold, Silver, and Bronze. The badge points are earned by just completing the surveys and offers. These points are only meant to level up your account rating, and cannot be converted into currency. Trustpilot.com rates Branded Surveys with a rating of 4.4.